Hello, Internet. I'm Matt Haas, and I love creative people and people who are going for it. One of those is my friend Tallboy. He has a company called TBE Media, and I made this awesome piece of artwork with my laser engraver and table saw and a few other tools. TBE Media stands for Tall Boy Entertainment Media. The man is 7 foot tall. I love doing creative things, so I decided to make this artwork. I'm going to show you how I did it. The process starts on my Atom Stack P7 laser engraver. Here's the logo. This part is a photograph of a microphone with a lens. I did several tests. I got it as good as I could. This area is just being straight burned on the device. Here I'm cutting out the figure. And I think that looks good already. Do a little dance. Why not? Give it some spray paint. Get it nice and even. Now I'm getting ready to trim down the board to the proper size. I use my crosscut sled. Please like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. That looks good. Now I'm cutting frame pieces. This is 1/2 inch plywood. Now the plywood needs a little something. Here I'm cutting a rabbet on the end, and that rabbet will accept the artwork. Now I'm making the frame pieces by cutting the 45-degree angle on it. It's a complicated process. I eventually get everything sized correctly. This is CA glue, commonly known as crazy glue. This is just to hold it temporarily until a much better glue can be used. And already it's held together. Stuff's like magic. I'll have links to all of these products in the description. This is wood glue, Titebond 2. I love the stuff. And it's almost done, but I put it on the belt sander just to give it a final touch. I thought a tabletop easel would be good, so I cut one out. And here's my favorite adhesive, E6000. This is just a general purpose adhesive. Here's how the easel comes together. Yeah, I think that'll work good. Here's the final reveal. Came out great. I'm really happy with it. In 2023, I will consider making these for other YouTubers. Do you want a sign similar to this? Hit me up on social media and ask. I'll give you a quote. Thanks, Internet.